Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to go over a sales funnel case study. I'm going to kind of show you inside the numbers of one of my sales funnels, and you're going to see why certain numbers don't really matter when it comes to your sales funnel, and that things aren't always going to go according to how maybe experts say, or how people will tell you how that it's supposed to go. So if we look at the usual funnel numbers, these are kind of like results that I've got in the past compiled with kind of like what experts say you should get as far as results when you have a sales funnel set up. So as far as Optin, that's kind of referring to like some type of landing page where you've got an exchange for some type of lead magnet. People will throw in their email address, and those I've had those range anywhere from like 20% up to 60%. Right? But usually want to hit double digits for sure as far as the conversion rate on the landing page, and then 20 is kind of like, a good baseline to start at. Now, 5 is a good conversion rate. I've definitely had higher rates with Tripwires, but 5 is a good starting rate as far as a low-priced offer, something that's really low-priced, introductory, and pretty much irresistible. Now, as far as a core offer, something with, where you're looking at, like, say, a $97 offer, something that's a higher-priced offer, digital marketer says around 30% for the core offer. And then we've got upsell, typically around 10% if you've got something like that in place. Now, it could be like upsell or downsell. There's lots of different variations as far as funnels. So if we look at why this funnel was different than those numbers that we just looked at, and the reason was this wasn't a PDF lead magnet or some type of like audio download, anything like that. This was a 5-day mini course, all delivered in email, 5 days of emails, all on funnels, how awesome they are, and how to build them out and make money with them in ClickFunnels. So there was no upsell on this funnel. It was just a single offer. It's been changed up since then, but no initial upsell. And there was a Tripwire offer that we had set up. So the Tripwire offer came after providing some value, and what it was, and the actual offer itself was just a digital product set up inside a ClickFunnels membership. So it was really a simple funnel that I set up, and I'm going to show you as far as the numbers. We'll take a look inside and see why it didn't really go according to how the experts say. So if we take a look here, just to walk you through as far as the numbers here. So we see as far as the initial landing page, now what we want to concern ourselves is with the uniques. I didn't really worry about the all too much. But if we worry about the uniques, there was 310 uniques. Out of those, 44% opted in. So that's only a 14% opt-in rate on the landing page. Right now we say like usually 20%, 60% is a good range. So not really great as far as the opt-in rate on the landing page compared to previous funnels that I've had in place. But where things kind of get interesting is on the order page here, where we see out of the 67 uniques that hit, 12 of them purchased, and that gives us 17% conversion rate as far as the sales on for this offer. Now, I guess I would call it a Tripwire. It's not super low priced. As you can see, but it's, I guess it would fall within the Tripwire range. So this one we're seeing it's converting actually higher than the opt-in rate on the landing page. So what does that mean as far as this funnel? What would I go and do and change about this? Or if you have something similar to this type of situation. So to increase, right, like we want to get more people ultimately to the order page. This conversion rate is great, but what we want to do is find ways to increase this. So maybe it has to do with the landing page, maybe it has to do with elements on the page itself. So for that, we would set up like a split test, right? We'd have a version A, version B, try changing things up with just the initial layout of the page and see what kind of conversion rates we get there. We could also change up the lead magnet itself. Maybe the 5-day course, maybe take the core of that, all that learning, and then turn that into one single video or maybe 3 videos, something like that. Change up the format, change up the lead magnet itself, change up the delivery. Obviously the content is good because people are opting in to get it, but just kind of change things up in that regard and see what we get as far as increasing the initial opt-in rate. Because the more people, the higher this goes, the more people that are ultimately going to wind up here and see the order page and get more conversions out of that. So that's what happened with this particular sales funnel. I'll probably do other sales funnel case study videos because I have lots of funnels in place, and it turns out I do like talking about funnels. So don't forget to click like and subscribe. I've got some more funnel awesomeness underneath, and I will see you in the next video.